welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be looking at the Pavilion Gaming Mouse 300, model part number 4PH30AA-ABB. The Pavilion Gaming Mouse 300 is the first gaming mouse from HP in this revamped black and green Pavilion line, which can be used for both your gaming and work productivity needs. It features an ambidextrous design with rubber side grips, making it ideal choice whether you are a left or right-handed user. A total of 8 buttons with 2 thumb buttons on each side, as well as a clickable scroll wheel. You can change between left-handed and right-handed mode by pressing the 2 rear side buttons on both sides together, where the buttons left click and right click will switch positions. The green USB cable gives it that gamer look whilst maintaining its Pavilion gaming theme. A 5000 dpi optical sensor optimized for gaming with 4 sensitivity settings, providing you with increased precision and accuracy. To change the DPI setting, press DPI button and the lights change from green default 1600 dpi, violet 2400 dpi, white 3500 dpi, red 5000 dpi. You can seamlessly perform on-the-fly customizations of DPI, LED lighting and pull rate with buttons that maximize convenience and minimize distractions. The pull rate can be changed from 1000 Hz default to 125 Hz by pressing the 2 top side buttons on each side together. The Pavilion Gaming Mouse 300 itself weighs around 123 grams and bears a very close resemblance in size and shape to its older cousin, the Omen by HP Gaming Mouse 600. Clearly inspired by it, you can see the similarities between the Omen and the Pavilion Gaming Mouse, which is not a bad thing as they both look very cool. I have found it best used on a mouse mount than on a tabletop surface. It is smooth and very responsive, easy to use, might be a little too light for me at 123 grams, but esport players are increasingly using lighter gaming mouse, so this should be fine. I do actually quite like this mouse. It is not too bad for a first entry-level gaming mouse, comfortable, smooth and responsive to use. Thank you for watching. All items will be listed in the description below. Check out the other HP Pavilion Gaming product videos on the channel. Peace out.